Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 8, Unit 3, Listening Passage. Listen to the passage and answer the questions. Internet safety. 20 years ago, kids in school had never even heard of the internet. Now, I will bet you cannot find a single person in your school who hasn't at least heard of it. In fact, many of us use it on a regular basis and even have access to it from our homes. The net in internet really stands for network. A network is two or more computers connected together so that information can be shared or sent from one computer to another. The internet is a vast resource for all types of information. You may enjoy using it to do research for a school project, downloading your favorite songs, or communicating with friends and family. Information is accessed through web pages and companies, organizations and individuals create and post. It's kind of like a giant bulletin board that the whole world uses. But since anyone can put anything on the internet, you also have to be careful and use your best judgment and a little common sense. Just because you read something on a piece of paper someone sticks on a bulletin board doesn't mean it's good information or even correct for that matter. So you have to be sure that whoever posted the information knows what they are talking about, especially if you are doing research. But what if you are just emailing people? You still have to be very careful. If you have never met a person that you are communicating with online, you could be on dangerous ground. You should never give out any personal information to someone you do not know, not even your name. And just like you cannot believe the information on every website out there, you can't rely on what strangers you meet on the internet tell you either. Just like one could make up things about yourself to tell someone else could do the same to you. Children, now you have listened to the passage. Are you ready to answer the questions? 1. The net in internet really stands for dash. 2. A network is two or more computers connected together so that dash can be shared or sent from one computer to another. 3. Dash is accessed through web pages that companies, organizations, and individuals create and post. 4. Dash may enjoy using it to do research for a school project, downloading your favorite songs, or communicating with friends and family. 5. Dash like a giant bulletin board that the whole world. Moving on to speaking section. Page 136, 2-minute speech. Good morning to all. We are gathered here for the inauguration of our English Literary Association. On this occasion, I extend a special welcome to our chief guest, Dr. Velavan, who will be inaugurating the Literary Association. With great gratitude, I welcome the headmaster and the teachers, for without their support, this gathering is not possible. Finally, my friends who are waiting to be enlightened and enriched by the speeches, welcome you all, my friends. Once again, I welcome you all on behalf of our school. Thank you. Hearty thanks to all the subscribers and viewers. I owe a lot to you.